Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure both devices are ready. Charge the D20 to at least 50% and power it on because low battery can interrupt pairing. On your phone, download and open the companion app, then enable Bluetooth and location permissions. The app needs both to find the watch. Once done, sign in or create an account so settings can sync. Now you're ready to begin the pairing flow inside the app and on the watch's setup screen. You'll now perform the actual connection. In the app, choose Add Device and select D20. The app scans via Bluetooth and shows a list. On the watch, confirm the same PIN or scan the on-screen QR code to authorize pairing because this secures the link. After the devices pair, the app will request permissions for notifications, contacts, health data, and location. Allow them so features work correctly. Make sure firmware update prompts are accepted. Updates fix compatibility and improve stability. Finish by syncing and customizing. Let the app transfer contacts, choose watch faces, and synchronize health metrics. This configures daily use. Then check for and install any firmware updates on the D20 because updates often resolve bugs. If the watch won't sync or disconnects, try the key troubleshooting tip. Reboot both phone and watch, turn Bluetooth off and on, then unpair and repair the device. If problems persist, reset the watch to factory default and repeat pairing to clear lingering errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.